Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how can you get the anime sword in Blade Ball game on Roblox. First of all guys, you have to click on this skills and skin icon here. You have to click on the swords and now you have to scroll down here. Now in unique you will see anime sword in limited. You will see the limited anime sword. Just click on it. And this sword once wielded by the Mother Nature herself. So this sword is a limited item. You can get this item, and once so usually you can get the sword by completing quest and by the promo codes. So right now I got this unique sword, the remnant sword by code. And if you want to get this, so once the code for this sword will be out, I'll update on my channel. So just stay tuned on my channel. Right now, there is no code for this anime sword. Once it is out, I will definitely share with you. And if you want this sword, this is a unique sword. You can get this. You just need to out of this, come out of this, and click on this extra and click on codes. Now just enter this code to get the code WEEAS4 or without S. Not now click on OK and you can see that it said already claimed. So I already claimed. Just need to enter this code to get this item and yeah. So once the code is out for the code, I'll definitely share with you. Right now, there is no way, and there is no quest as well. So yeah, you can complete daily quest to get increase your level. So yeah, total idea. Thanks for watching.